Hi guys, in today's video we are going to be making this amazing smoked salmon frittata. You can have this for breakfast, for lunch, or for dinner. It's also a good low carb option and a good option for keto. The first step to making our smoked salmon frittata, we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter, and just allow it to melt. And while it's melting, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to grab 1/4 cup of diced white onion and 1/4 cup of red bell pepper, green bell pepper, any color bell pepper that you like. And this will give our frittata loads and loads of flavor. And I'm just going to gently caramelize this. Just a few more minutes and it's going to begin to caramelize. This is really good. And now let's turn off the stove and we're going to allow this to cool completely down before we move on. While our aromatics are cooling down, from here I am adding 8 eggs. Two tablespoons of milk, whole milk. 2 pinch of black pepper. About 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to give this a good mix until it's nice and creamy and everything has been incorporated. If you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, please consider subscribing. Subscribing only requires just a little bit of kindness, and I'm sure a lot of my subscribers, my viewers, are very kind. And I'm going to add back the aromatics as they have been cooled. I'm going to scrape the butter in here as well, which adds loads and loads of extra flavor. We're going to add 1/2 tablespoon of dry dill, or you can use fresh dill. Dill gives it that nice frittata unique taste. I'm going to add a little bit of chives. I'm going to put the balance at the top. So this has loads and loads of flavor and it's very aromatic and it's going to be amazing. So let's set this aside. I'm going to be using this buttered tart dish to make the frittata. So in goes the mixture. And if you have fresh dill, that's even better. Adding some tomatoes in here. I like loads and loads of tomatoes. I'm going to add some of it now and some a little bit later on, just for the overall aesthetic. And let's go in with our famous smoked salmon. Let's go in with some full fat cream cheese. That is going to give it a really good melt as the eggs come up. You just want to place the cream cheese at the top and try to distribute it evenly. And it's done, and we're going to add the rest of the tomatoes. Some I'm facing down and some I'm going to face up. Place a little bit more chives at the top, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until it's cooked in the center. Let's go ahead and we're gonna pop this in the oven. The smoked salmon frittata is done and it's still very hot. It has deflated and I will leave it to cool completely down. Our smoked salmon frittata has cooled and now it's time to have a good slice and enjoy. I'm going to take a piece from right here. And here you have it, an amazing slice of smoked salmon frittata. Thank you for joining. See you on another good day for another great recipe.